Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow. Relax and enjoy lesson 36. There is no need to memorize. You are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. Fear, worry, stress, anger, upset, hurt, excited, proud, embarrassed, confident, nervous, lonely. Okay, listen to the English words again and repeat them after me. Fear, fear, worry, worry, stress, stress, anger, anger, upset, upset, hurt, hurt, excited, excited, proud, proud, embarrassed, embarrassed, confident, confident, nervous, nervous, lonely, lonely. Very good. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. Fear of failure. Don't worry. I feel stress. Filled with anger. I feel upset. I am hurt. She is excited. Feeling proud. She is embarrassed. Very confident. Are you nervous? A lonely person. Good. Now, just listen. Some students feel nervous before an important exam. A little stress can make people worry. After a good result, they feel confident. Then, they become excited about the future. Now, listen to this simple story using all of the words. Ben has a big English exam today. When he wakes up, he feels very nervous. He feels some worry and stress. Ben also feels a bit lonely. He has a little fear of failure. At school, he falls down in the classroom. His face is red and he feels embarrassed. His leg is hurt quite badly. Ben feels anger and he is upset. But he soon stands up again. He now feels confident and ready. Ben finishes the test and now he is excited. His teacher says, "I'm proud of you, Ben." Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. Fear, worry, stress, anger, upset, hurt, excited, proud, embarrassed, confident, nervous, lonely. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now, and I will see you for the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.